In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam error code E84. Now, if you're an avid gamer, encountering this error can be frustrating. It's an error that typically indicates too many failed login attempts from your location within a short period. But don't worry, in just a few minutes, I'll guide you through a straightforward process to resolve this issue. To get started, the first thing you should do is exit your Steam app completely. Sometimes shutting down the app and restarting it can address the problem if it's a temporary glitch. After you've exited Steam, the next step is to restart your computer. By rebooting your system, you're refreshing all the applications, which can often clear up any existing conflicts or bugs. Once your computer is back up, go ahead and open Steam again. If this initial approach doesn't resolve the error, don't worry, there is more we can try. Right click on the Steam application icon and from the options that appear, select Properties. This action will allow you to delve a bit deeper into the settings, giving you the ability to make a small but essential adjustment. In the Properties window that opens, you'll see several tabs. Click on the one labelled Shortcut. Here you'll need to locate the field named Target. This is where you can make a necessary change to improve how Steam starts up. In this field, leave a space after the existing path and type in login nor react login. By adding these parameters, you're instructing Steam to alter its login process, which can effectively bypass the issue causing the error code E84. Once you've entered these changes, click on Apply and then hit OK to confirm and save. Now, it's time to run the Steam application again. You should notice that the error code E84 no longer appears, and you can log in without any issues. It's a simple tweak, but it can make a world of difference. To summarize, fixing Steam error code E84 involves exiting Steam, restarting your computer, accessing the right-click menu for Steam properties, and making a small adjustment in the target field within the Shortcut tab. These steps should help you get back to your gaming sessions in no time. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech solutions. Until next time, happy gaming.